All right, Green Thumb Gardening family, a lion unleashed by catching from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening channel, right here in the Growth Zone 8B, and once again in the beautiful city of Tifton, Georgia. And in today's video, I'm super excited to be bringing you guys along for the introduction to our brand new 26-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse that I've just completed construction on here. Now again, we were in our new location here in Tifton, Georgia, where we've been allotted a small grow area. I didn't bring you guys along for the long and boring process of putting together the frame to this 26-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse, nor the adding the addition of the poly cover to this greenhouse. However, I will take you guys on the inside and show you just how much more spacious this particular greenhouse is than our previous greenhouse was. Now it's hot in here. The windows are closed. The door has been closed since I've completed the assembly of this greenhouse. I'm gonna take you guys on the inside right quick. I'm only gonna stay in here a minute because again, it's burning up on the inside and there's still work to be done on the inside. As you guys can see, this greenhouse is huge in comparison to our previous greenhouse. And what we're going to do here on the inside of our greenhouse is, first we're going to put down cardboard, as you can see I've already begun doing here. Then we're going to come back and put down weed block plastic on the top of this cardboard. And then we'll come back in here and we'll get our grow lights put up here in the top. We'll get our circulation fans put in. And we'll get our tables and racks in here. We'll bring you guys back in about another 7 days with our next update on our brand new 26-foot by 10-foot by 7-foot high tunnel greenhouse. Thanks for watching, and you guys stay tuned for the next video.